Gamers, listen up. Today we're diving into the Redmagic 10 Pro, a gaming beast that's here to level up your mobile gaming experience. From its insane performance to its gamer-centric features, this phone is a total game changer. Let's break it down. Here's what makes the Redmagic 10 Pro stand out. Powerhouse performance. This phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and up to 24 GB of RAM. Whether you're playing Genshin Impact, Call of Duty or any other graphics-heavy game, this thing handles it like a pro. No lag, no stutter, just pure gaming bliss. Cooling system. Say goodbye to overheating. The Redmagic 10 Pro comes with an internal cooling fan and a vapor chamber cooling system. Even during marathon gaming sessions, this phone stays cool under pressure. Display. The 6.85-inch AMO display is a visual treat. With a 144Hz refresh rate and 960Hz touch sampling rate, every swipe and tap feels buttery smooth. Plus, the colors are vibrant and the brightness is perfect for gaming in any lighting. Battery. With a massive 7050 mAh battery, this phone keeps you gaming for hours, and when you do need to recharge, the 100-watt fast charging gets you back in the game in no time. And let's not forget the gamer-centric features: shoulder triggers for console-like controls, customizable RGB lighting to match your style, dual stereo speakers for immersive sound. This phone is literally built for gamers by gamers. So, is the Redmagic 10 Pro worth it? If you're a serious mobile gamer, absolutely. It's packed with top-tier specs, innovative cooling, and features that make gaming more fun and immersive. Plus, it looks seriously cool. The only downside? It's a bit bulky and the camera is decent but not flagship level. But let's be real, you're buying this for gaming, not photography. Ready to dominate the competition? Grab the Redmagic 10 Pro and take your gaming to the next level. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more epic gadget reviews. See you in the next video, and here's some gameplay video.
First blood. First blood. Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Ace! Double kill. First blood. Double kill.